So I'm gonna start with the red buttercream on the outside, and you're gonna keep going like this all around, and you're gonna take the white buttercream and you're gonna do the same inside the red buttercream. You're gonna have a really nice effect. Once you're gonna cut your cake, it's gonna be super pretty. Take back your red buttercream and smooth around. I'm gonna cut just one little piece right there to be able to lift the cake. And with a little stencil that I designed, you're gonna put it here, just right there. And you're gonna use that to cut your design really smoothly. Just remove this part, leave it on the side. I'm gonna make sure to have a beautiful slag, so you can really come back right there to have something perfect. And once you have your beautiful slag here, let's cake pop the rest of your cake. Now we're gonna start shaping it. So I'm gonna take a large amount of cake pop. Once you have your cone, you're gonna take a skewer, and with the scissors, you're gonna start cutting it to create like a Christmas tree. And once you have your Christmas tree, let's dip it into chocolate. This is white chocolate that I dyed green. And there you go. And once it's dipped in chocolate, it really looks like a Christmas tree. Let's remove it from the skewer, and we're gonna decorate our sleigh. So here is just some fondant that I'm gonna put inside to create a nice sit here. And with some fondant again, let's do the little details right there. Let's create some little details here with buttercream. And our little Christmas tree right there, ready for Christmas.